Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. As we move closer to 2026, one thing is very clear. Nigeria is changing economically, and those who prepare early will benefit the most. In this video, I'll be sharing 5 solid investment opportunities you can start in Nigeria before 2026, even if you're not rich. These are investments that are practical, realistic, and already working for smart people today. So if your goal is financial growth, stability, and long-term wealth, make sure you watch till the end. First up, real estate and land banking. Real estate remains one of the strongest investments in Nigeria, but you don't need to start with expensive houses. Land banking, which is buying land in fast-developing areas and holding it, is one of the smartest moves you can make before 2026. Areas around new roads, estates, universities, and industrial zones are appreciating fast. Land you buy today for a modest price could easily double or triple in value within just a few years. Real estate not only protects your money against inflation, but also gives you invaluable long-term security. Second, let's talk about agribusiness and food processing. No matter the state of the economy, food will always be in demand. Instead of just traditional farming, you should focus on the wider agribusiness value chain. Consider areas like poultry, fish farming, rice processing, or palm oil packaging. You could also look into food storage and distribution. With Nigeria's population growing and food importation becoming more expensive, a huge opportunity has opened up for local producers and processors. With proper planning, agribusiness can generate a steady income and scale very quickly. Our third opportunity is digital skills and online business. The digital economy is no longer the future, it's already here. Investing in digital skills is one of the cheapest yet most powerful investments you can make right now. Think about content creation, freelancing, graphic design, copywriting, social media management, or e-commerce. Many Nigerians are now earning in dollars while living right here in Nigeria. This kind of investment requires your time and a willingness to learn, not huge capital. By 2026, digital skills will be what separates the high earners from the strugglers. Fourth on our list is small-scale manufacturing and local production. Nigeria is gradually shifting its focus toward local production, and you can be a part of this movement. Consider small-scale manufacturing ventures like producing sachet water, soaps and detergents, or even local cosmetics. You could also start a packaging business or produce building materials. With the right quality and branding, these businesses can grow into strong, recognizable brands. As imports become more expensive, locally made products will increasingly dominate the market. Finally, we have long-term investments. This category includes assets like stocks, mutual funds, and pension-linked investments. You can also consider carefully researched cryptocurrencies. The keyword here is long-term and knowledge-based investing. You must avoid quick profit schemes and hype-driven decisions. Only invest in what you understand and be prepared to think in terms of years, not weeks. The best time to invest was yesterday. The second best time is now. You don't need to do everything at once. Start small, stay consistent, and always think long-term. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe for more educational content on wealth, investment, and financial growth. See you in the next video.